Thank you very much, everybody, for being here. I'm very grateful and glad to see such a great audience who's attending this event. Bringing Sarmad Sehbai to Mississauga and presenting it and helping publish his book has been something which we could not have done without the help of Munir Sami and our dear Vasanjis, who have done an incredible job of editing this mammoth of a book. And you'll hear more about that when you talk to Vasanji and Nurja. Thank you very much, everybody. Thank you, Canadian Community Arts Initiative, and enjoy the evening.
Hi, how are you? Nice to see you. Sorry, were you in line to get an autograph?
No, just photo.
Yeah, go ahead.
Yeah, you can go ahead.
No. I mean, he's staying with us. It's fine.
I was born in Gujranwala, so I don't know what that means, but I want to say one thing. Arshad Bhai is tight on the time, so I'm very straight and to the point. When we talk about the art and arts, it's like ruh, atma, soul. Many of us cannot see it. All we need it. Some of us can see it. And thank God, because they can see it, we believe in it. So thank you, Sarmadji, for all what you come all the way. I was born in Patiala, Punjab. My parents are born in Gujranwala. They told me, if tusi agar Lahore nahi gaye, to tusi jamme nahi. So I'm still to be born in that perspective. So hopefully I have a big extended family from Lahore and Punjab. So I hopefully will go one day and hope to see you there.
I will also present you a souvenir when you come to Lahore.
And I don't have I in mind, so you can take K away. Asma Bhabi, Arshad, and everyone who's here, I mean, it's a familiar face, it's a whole lot of big family we have. We are a united, one strong family, believe in arts and artists. So with your blessing, we will continue to do that work, but we want you keep coming here again and again. Thank you so much.